Hi guys, welcome back to another video. I'm just going to quickly show you my new game. I'll link this to the Facebook page as well, but this is the Apothecary game that I've been developing, and I just wanted to share the latest updates. Since the last version, it's now got a simple sort of like help section, and also you'll notice up here that it's got some player details. Now they'll be fed, the player name and password will be fed directly from the launcher, but I won't push a new launcher just yet because I've only just pushed another one. And anyway, yeah, I'll show you what you can do to switch between online and offline mode. So when you first launch it, it will be in offline mode, which is like here, and I've just got a debug line in which allows me to switch between them without having to reboot the whole game. And you'll notice that campaign mode is greyed out. That's because it's going to require some form of online connectivity. And you'll notice it says offline play at the start, and you'll be able to go into the practice mode and just practice what you're doing. But if you do log in, and you can see it has all my details, I just put a variable in that allows me to just keep that without having to reboot everything. But it won't ship like that. You'll just have to restart the launcher if it doesn't come into online mode and stuff like that, but get into that later. And so yeah, this is online mode. You'll be able to go into campaign, practice mode, exit game. Gives a little bit of information here. If I just switch back, you'll notice it says here you're playing in offline. You'll only have access to the practice mode. This means your data will not be saved. Practice mode is basically free. You get sort of like a certain number of items to play with, and your data is not saved. It's basically so that when you go into campaign mode, then you're not wasting your time sort of like learning sort of like the basic recipes. You've got a basic understanding and everything. So that's just sort of like what's been going on over the last couple of days. I'll push this to the launcher within the next couple of days. You will need the launcher, else you will not be able to run this because it requires the LWJGL natives. It won't say Quicus.me up here. I'm running this off of a custom bat file, which allows me to feed that in. But once I do update the launcher, you'll be able to choose your own username, and once registering and proper login works, and you'll be able to save your, well, you'll be able to reserve your username. So that's the basic updates of what's been happening. And what I might do is I might put a link to the bat file, and I'll put some information on how to use that, but you just put it in the same folder as the launcher and this, and I'll tell you how to edit it so you can get like custom username. It currently doesn't support passwords, so there's space to put the passwords in, and but don't put your proper passwords in case somebody else opens the file and sees it. Don't be stupid like that. But I just thought I'd share what I've been doing, and I'll push this to the launch in the next couple of days. Share it on Facebook when it's up, so that you can download a bat file which will allow you to have your own username up there. If there's anything you don't like about the look of the launcher or the look of the game, please tell me immediately, because I am open to feedback, because I'm not going to be the one who plays this mostly. It's going to be sort of like everyone else, and so if you don't like something, make yourself heard. So thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you later.